Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can save or export video from CapCut to your phone gallery. It is pretty quick and easy guide. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video and follow my mouse pointer for your easy navigation. First you need to do is open CapCut in your smartphone, tap on that icon, wait for loading. Okay, now it is loaded. You can see the big blue button here, new project. Just tap on it. Okay, it will open your gallery for upload the video. You can choose any video for your purpose. I like to this video. Just tap on that video, cancel it, and tap on add here. All right, now you can do whatever editing you like to do. I just add some text for this video. Just tap on text and tap on again add text. Now you can type any name. I like to type byte beat. All right, just tap on this icon and you can choose the any effect for this. I like to this one. Wait for edit. Okay, now tap on this tick. You can do whatever editing you like to do. There are a lot of editing features here. After doing any editing, you can see in this here 720p quality is current quality. You can increase that into 1080p or 2K 4K editings, and you can increase the frame rates up to 60, and you can change the color rate to low to high. If you choose it increase into high, the video file size will be increased. So I like to keep these settings as it is. Then after you need to do is just tap on export. Now you can see the video is exporting. The percentage is going to 0 to 100. After it goes to 100, you can see that video is available in your gallery. Wait for complete that. Okay, and please don't close your CapCut application until this complete. All right, you can just tap on this done icon. Now you can just share that video into these platforms: Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, or anything. So that's all about today's video. I hope you gain some knowledge from this. Thank you very much.